Hello, dear parents. As you all know that your child's learning involves tripolar process. Your child's performance is both yours and the teacher's shared responsibility. You are often called to your child's school for PTM, and you are also needed to converse with the teachers to get involved with your child's school life. To get the maximum out of the meeting, you are required to discuss the following points, which should focus on your child's strengths, weaknesses, recent achievements, flaws, social interactions, and the behavior of your child. Right? But are you really aware of those questions which you should ask your child's teacher at the time of PTM? Think about it. Dear parents, today I am going to guide you with some of the important questions, or you can say some phrases, which you may ask your child's teacher at PTM. Before I proceed, I have some important tips for you. Before the PTM, always ask your child how he or she feels about his or her school, teachers, and friends. You are also required to ask your child if he or she really wants you to talk about with the teacher. Then, after interacting with your children, prepare a list of the questions. Always know the exact date and time of the PTM. Be on time always, and never ever defend your child. Always be a good listener and listen to the teacher's feedback, and then come out with some questions which you want to ask the teacher. Always greet the teacher by saying, "Good morning, ma'am," or "Good morning, sir. I am ABC's father or mother. Happy to meet you. I am here to know the progress of my child. How is my child in the class? What are my child's academic strengths and weaknesses? Could you please tell me about my child's social behavior?" Or you may say, "How is my child doing socially? How is my child's behavior in the class? Is my child keeping up with the school's curriculum? Are there any challenges you are facing while teaching my child? Can you please discuss the areas in which my child is falling short? And what can I do at home to encourage his or her academic progress? What can I do at home to maintain the expectations academically? Does my daughter or son need extra help in any areas? What books can you recommend for my child? Could you please recommend any useful websites or books? Is he or she participating in class activities? Kindly suggest some interesting activities for him or her. What upcoming projects or assignments should I know about? May I please know the supportive strategies given by you to help my child?